This is Zenexo Golden White. It's an aluminium pigment or aluminum, and it's a coated version. Uncoated aluminium can be quite dangerous to work with and quite unstable, but as a coated one, you can even give it different colors. It's available in bronze, gold, like this, a warm silver, but also different hues of red, blue, green, depending on what they did with the coating. So the beautiful thing with this pigment, it actually looks like metal. Unlike a mica pigment, which is a mineral, which is also coated most of the times with the color, it's shimmery. This is almost, or literally, metallic. It's PM1, Pigment Metal 1, aluminium powder. And a nice thing about a metal pigment in comparison with a mica, you can burnish this. So like with leaf gold, with an agate stone, you can burnish the pigment to make it even more reflective. You do lose the structure of the paper, but you know, it's worth it.